Hey guys, this is my 3520 cab tractor, and a couple of years ago I got this front mount snowblower for it. It wasn't in bad shape. I only paid $1,500 for it, so it wasn't bad for the money. Once I got it home though and started looking at it, it looks pretty good in the pictures here. But when I got it home, it had a bent PTO shaft that went underneath the tractor, and there was a lot of rust, as you can see. PTO shaft was easy, just got a new PTO shaft, not a big deal. And I decided while I had it in the shop, I may as well paint it. So this is me starting to paint some of it here. And it actually turned out pretty good. Looks a lot better now. And there's a photo of it on the tractor. It works really well. I'm very, very happy with it. No more looking behind me now, which is great. And there's some video here of it running. And this is me at night blowing some snow with it. And those are new LED lights, and I gotta say, I love them. Got them on Amazon.ca, and I think we only paid like $45 for 4 of them. And they're sun bright, as you can see. You can see really well with them. So glad I put them lights on. And yeah, the front mount blower, excellent. As you can see, there's a lot of snow flying around here. It was windy this night, and nice inside the cab. Definitely recommend the front mount blower for sure. And this winter, what I'm going to be doing pretty soon is I'm going to be modifying the front. I'm going to build some brackets so the front will be like a quick attach, so I don't have to just be a lot easier to put it on. And I'm going to make a video about that too whenever I go to do that, so you guys will be able to see it too. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.